In this episode, a cheerful guide visits three households across continents to show how meals become social tapestries and surprising twists. They compare passing dishes clockwise in one culture with a different habit elsewhere, signaling respect and hierarchy. A Nordic quiet table contrasts with Caribbean storytelling, showing how communication shapes the meal's mood for visitors. The segment looks at pace and sharing, where some favor brisk bites and others linger for conversation. Anecdotes about etiquette mishaps show curiosity and humor can bridge gaps for viewers.